GloBugz!
Kids, to celebrate Black History Month, I want to introduce you to the man, the myth, the legend, Dr. Martin Luther King Jr.
Hello, GloZell. Good to see you.
Oh, good to see you.
Nice forest you got here.
Thank you. It was a dream to have you here.
Well, it's my dream to entertain you kids. How are you, kids?
We love you. Mr. King, what was your greatest accomplishment? How did you become a household name?
I wore many hats. I was mainly a Baptist minister who preached about love and patience, but I also became one of the most widely known civil rights activists of my day. My message was simple. All men and women are created equal. And to ensure civil rights for all, we must practice nonviolent civil disobedience.
What does civil disobedience mean?
Civil disobedience is the refusal to obey certain laws or government demands. Usually people show their dismay with a law or rule by using nonviolent techniques like boycotting or picketing.
Or marching.
That's right, GloZell. It's a very effective way to show resistance or that you do not agree with what is happening around you.
What do you hope kids learn from your life?
I want kids to understand that they are powerful creatures for peace. I want kids to understand that all men and women are created equal, that they have the power to take those words into the playground and into their own neighborhoods.
Excellent!
That's right. Did you know that injustice anywhere is a threat to justice everywhere?
What?
Injustice anywhere is a threat to justice everywhere.
One more time.
Injustice anywhere is a threat to justice everywhere.
Wow!
That's right, GloZell. Great job.
That is powerful. But it can be so hard to speak up. Like, what if people don't like me? It's kind of scary.
I understand it can be scary to speak out, but it is all of our jobs to protect one another and make sure all people are treated equally. And if you don't speak up, who will?
Well, that's a good point.
I have another favorite quote, GloZell. Would you like to hear it?
Yes!
Our lives begin to end the day we become silent about things that matter.
Wow.
Kids, using your voice is truly important.
Thank you, Dr. King. When you look at your life, what are you most proud of?
Definitely my family, my career as a minister, but also getting Black and white people to come together at a time when that was frowned upon by society. Today, people live in a much freer world, and I'd like to think that I helped pave the way for different ethnicities. I did. I paved the way for different ethnicities to come together in solidarity.
You did, you did!
Justice knows no color.
No color. What do you want to be most remembered by?
More than anything, I want to be remembered by my dream I am commemorated for.
Yes.
Wanting all boys and girls to come together into the world and be judged by their character.
Yes.
Their morals.
Yes.
Their actions.
And
not by the color of their skin.
Yes, Martin, yes! Woo! Oh, thank you, Dr. Martin Luther King. I'm fired up, and thank you for letting us know that kids are important. Their voice, we can speak out on playgrounds and everywhere and help all of those around us. Black, white, men, and women, we all are created equal.
That's right, GloZell.
Thank you. Your message rings true today as much as it did then. It's amazing, and thank you for being here in our magical forest.
Thank you for having me. Goodbye, GloBugz.